Hey guys, so this is Kellen with My Spouti LLC, here to do a follow-up from the unboxing video. So about a week and a half ago, we unboxed the samples that we got from Xometry. Once that was done, I took the Shore 5 sample and I went and started doing some testing. So we found with the Shore 5 sample that the lip was too thin. It's too soft and it doesn't hold the seal, so I can't send those out. The whole point is to have a device that doesn't leak. I cannot send those out. So I went ahead and started testing the Shore 10 models, and we discussed a little bit about the problem with the stiffness of the Shore 10. So let me explain. The rim on the Shore 10 is perfect. It's great. It holds its shape perfectly. So it makes a great seal, and it's really easy to place. I modified the samples that we got to reduce some of the silicone from the body, which greatly improved the comfort and flexibility. So I've been wearing this this model, not this one, but this model for the last couple of days, and it's been amazing. So I hit up my CAD guy, Chris Miller, who works with Curvature Cad and Design. He's amazing. He took a quick look. He suggested a couple of modifications. Essentially, we're going to be taking silicone right out of the middle of the front tab, which will increase the flexibility. And he's working those up. When he's done, we'll send those to Xometry, and they will fix the mold, and then they'll send us some more sample parts. So that is a bit of a delay, which disappointed me. I really wanted this to be a really simple. Samples came in, we gave the nod of approval, and then everybody started getting their spouties. But perfection is important, and this is what we need to do. So I've actually found a couple of positive things about this that I wasn't expecting. So the Shore 5 models that we were working with, they were really soft, and the tube had to be glued in. With the Shore 10, no glue, which is awesome. So one, I don't have to glue them. Two, it means I can offer an additional tube. So I will now be including an additional tube in each spouty that everybody's going to get. And in the future, we'll be able to start working with some tubing length options. We'd had some questions about people wanting to alter the size of their tube, and we can make this more feasible for them now. So that really excites me because that's just a great option. I mean, honestly, this is, virtually indestructible. If you're not, taking scissors to it, then it's not going to, you're not going to have any problems with it. It's durable as heck. The tube, on the other hand, can get a little harder to clean and a little gross, and so it's nice to be able to replace it, and now we can offer that. I've mentioned it a couple of times, but I really wanted to make sure to give people a good visual understanding. We are sending you pipe cleaners. A couple of our testers used pipe cleaners, and they really enjoyed that. So I wanted to make sure that was an option for everybody. We'll be doing just a variety pack of 6 pipe cleaners into your order. And then in the future, we can offer some options for some color packs, the rainbow colors or pastel colors or whatever. That's kind of a fun thing that we're looking at. So there will be another delay, but there are a lot of good things that come out of this, and ultimately, our dedication to you is to giving you the best SCP experience, and you deserve the most functional model. And I'm going to do everything that it takes to get that to you. So thank you for your support and your understanding. You have helped us take this from, a concept and a dream to a really amazing reality. And that means a lot to me. And I look forward to getting your spouty to you in the future. Until next time.